Welcome to FutureCrete Hub. The science and technology development is the most prominent path of history. Technology isn't a static thing. Day by day, no, it's not. By moment, it's going to innovation. Before we start the video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon to keep you updated with all of our new and future videos.
During the COVID-19 era, we are becoming increasingly aware of hygiene in our daily lives. Masks and gloves have become an integral part of our everyday routines. We are careful about what we touch and how often we wash our hands. But there is one thing, more than anything else, that still threatens our health: our phones. Our smartphones carry more bacteria than 20 bathroom seats. We would never place a toilet seat in our bed, but we take our phones to bed with us every night. Each day, we touch our phones and our faces hundreds of times. A substantial portion of human respiratory infections is transmitted via hand contact with the mouth, eyes, and nostrils through self-contamination. That's why we teamed up with one of the best biotech companies to develop Silvercore, a full-protection silver nanoparticle technology for your smartphone. Our Silvercore treated phone kit offers an ultimate shield against microbes and germs. It features a 9H ultra-hard screen protector and a thin, impact-proof TPU phone case. Both parts have been treated with Silvercore silver nanoparticles, a patented technology that keeps your phone completely safe from germs and microbes, as certified by the SGS. It works by releasing silver ions that penetrate the microbe, combine with its proteins, interfere with DNA replication, and promote formation of reactive oxygen species that ultimately kill the microbe. With billions of silver nanoparticles, your phone is fully protected against infection-causing pathogens, so you can finally use it in total safety. We are 100% ready to start production, so you won't have to wait forever for your perk to ship. We are Rolling Square, a Swiss tech design house. We focus on designing useful products for the tech minimalists out there. Over the past few years, we have successfully delivered 5 campaigns to hundreds of thousands of backers. Get your Silvercore kit today at the lowest price ever.
SoundBoom, the world's first wireless speaker that uses reverse charging and battery sharing technology. It can work and play music anywhere through your phone's reverse charging function. It perfectly combines lightweight, futuristic design and superior sound quality. With SoundBoom, you can enjoy the moments with friends and listen to your favorite songs. While users of Bluetooth speakers are still wasting their time trying to connect their device or forgot to recharge its battery. Instant Connection feature allows you to play music from another phone in a few seconds. SoundBoom works with no power, no battery, and no Bluetooth by using your phone's reverse charging function with no need to charge the speaker itself. You can even take it with you to the bathroom since it has a waterproof design. SoundBoom, wireless battery shared speaker by AirDock.
How many times per day do we check our phone? We look at our pocket-sized screen 80 times daily, taking up an average of more than 5 hours per day. Research has shown this has a huge impact on our mental health, sleep, and productivity. It's not all bad though. Smartphones have brought huge benefits into our lives. The question we at Unplug therefore asked ourselves is,
how can we help you find a balance between the useful functionality of your smartphone and the distractions it inevitably brings along?
That's how we arrived at our solution, Unplug. It enables you to decide when to transform your Android phone into a distraction-free device.
Unplug works as your home screen. By selecting your Unplug apps, you have the power to decide which apps to show when unplugged. If you now remove the USB key, the custom launcher displays only your Unplug apps and notifications of all other apps will be blocked. This transforms your phone into a useful tool without distractions. Yet, when you plug the Unplug key back in, you will have the functionality of your entire phone back, and previously blocked notifications will be shown.
Unplug helps you to regain control over your smartphone usage, enables you to focus without distraction, and gives you time for the meaningful things in life.
We all know how it feels when someone we're talking to is looking at their phone instead of you. With Unplug, you can now enjoy the conversation without the urge to quickly check what the buzz in your pocket might have been. You'll finally be able to focus on your work, undisturbed by notifications. Now, after a long day of focused work, you feel like you deserve watching some YouTube videos. This time, you make a conscious decision to plug the Unplug key back in.
At Unplug, we believe you should control technology, instead of technology controlling you.
We refined the product through multiple prototypes and did extensive user tests.
Now we need your help to be able to produce the Unplug key. Together, we can fight digital distractions.
Unplug distraction. Plug into life.
How many devices do you need to charge every day? Your phone, tablet, smartwatch, and probably your earphones too. However, try and charge them all at the same time, and this happens. Don't worry, you have a wireless charger. It's very convenient. However, this happens. Unfortunately, they're not as reliable as you think. Introducing the Pitaka Air Omni, the ultimate charging station for the whole Apple family. Powerful. It charges all of your devices simultaneously in an efficient, stylish, and simple way, regardless of whether it's a phone, tablet, earbuds, Apple Watch, or even your Apple TV controller. All of them can be charged efficiently in this compact space, keeping your table neat and tidy. Versatile. Whether wired or wirelessly, portrait or landscape, flat or docked, the versatile design allows you to charge your devices in the most convenient way for you. No need to sacrifice reliability for convenience. The MFI charging module ensures the safety and quality levels established by Apple. The chain-coiled transmitter layout technology means that you can put your device anywhere on the pad, and wireless charging starts immediately. Thanks to the patented mechanical design, the Lightning and USB-C terminal can be adapted to whatever device you have with a single click in seconds. The terminal rises or descends simply by adjusting the foldable stand. On the go. Power up all your gear during your next adventure, or share the power with your friends. Crafted with luxurious aramid fiber, aesthetically pleasing like a work of art, demonstrating the beauty of minimalism. And that's not all. A secret drawer is located on the side, allowing you to store small accessories when you need to. This is the Air Omni, the ultimate charging platform for Apple users everywhere.
The new iPhone 11 and 11 Pro introduced revolutionary upgrades to its camera. So we completely reimagined our case to match the new pedigree and make the best even better. Introducing the ShiftCam multi-lens case for the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. Our most advanced, most convenient, and most durable lens set yet. No more fumbling around with lenses and mounts. ShiftCam's patented sliding system makes it easy to switch lenses with just one hand. Simply slide to shift. Always be ready for the perfect shot in a moment's notice. ShiftCam adds 5 high-quality crystal clear lenses for the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max, and 3 for the iPhone 11. The circular polarizer lens is specifically designed to decrease glare, eliminate reflections, and increase contrast for the ultra-wide camera. With the 10x and 20x macro lenses, you'll unleash a whole new world invisible to the naked eye. The intricate details of flora, fauna, and microscopic textures are revealed with these phenomenally sharp lenses.
Oh, it's okay.
We're also upgrading your selfie game. The multi-lens case for the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and Pro Max includes a front-facing lens adapter for our Pro Series single lenses, so you can be ready for those epic selfies, or even slow-fies. Didn't upgrade to the 11? No problem. ShiftCam's got you covered. We've been making multi-lens cases since the iPhone 7 and have every model ready in stock. Just for this campaign, we're offering an exclusive crowdfunding discount on all of them. Whether you're exploring a new city or your backyard, traveling to faraway lands, or just spending time with friends and family, ShiftCam will allow you to capture the world around you in totally new perspectives and take your iPhone photography to a whole new level. Join our global community of photographers and back our campaign today.